In this tutorial, I'll show you how to factory reset your Hisense Roku TV. This is great in case you're having major issues with your TV, or if you simply want to resell it and you don't want the next person to have access to your personal data. So the first thing, take your remote control and you're gonna press the home button, the top right corner button here. Once you did this, you're gonna go on the left side and select the settings menu. Press OK once you're in it. And then we need to go all the way down in this menu. You can also just press the up arrow once. This way we go to the last option in this menu. Once you have system selected, press OK. Then over here, press the up button. So you select advanced system settings. Press OK. Then you have factory reset, press OK once again. And we have two different choices here. We have reset TV audio picture settings and then factory reset everything. This is the option we want. So once you have highlighted, press OK once again. And now on the right side, you have to type the code that is showing down below. It will be different for each television. So here we have 9455 and I need to type it. This is just so, let's say your kid does not reset your TV. It still needs, to understand that you need to enter this code. So once you enter the code, I'm going to press the OK button on your remote once OK is highlighted. And then you have to select the first option, Start Factory Reset. Press OK. Now we just have to wait. Usually it takes just a few seconds or a few minutes. Don't touch anything. Do not unplug your TV. Let it do its thing. And in my case, it took around 40 seconds and we are on the first setup menu. Let me mute this. So yeah, this is the first screen to start to set up your TV again. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe. If you want to know how to set up your Hisense Roku TV, I'll make a separate video showing you exactly how it's done. So just look out on my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone.